Good morning, Standard 3. Children, today we are going to start our next topic, Windows 7 Desktop. In last video, we had started third chapter, operating system, and in that we had discussed about operating system, CUI and GUI operating system. Okay. We had discussed about Windows operating system. Okay, and our today's topic is Windows 7 Desktop. Okay, so in your book desktop picture it is given. Okay, and you know what is desktop? Desktop, it's a first screen which appears when we start a computer. Okay, when we start a computer, no? So the first screen which appears on monitor, that is called desktop. Okay, so in your book page number 22 it is given. Okay, book we are starting Windows 7. So this is Windows 7 Desktop. There are various versions of Windows. Okay, I have in my computer Windows 8. Okay, so more and less things are same, but few differences are there. So I'll try to teach you this chapter through my laptop. Okay, this is my desktop picture. Okay, you can see on screen. This is desktop. So in this desktop you are seeing back of the icons. Several lamps are burning. Okay, so that picture is called desktop background or wallpaper of desktop. Okay, so this picture is called desktop background, and this picture can be changed. Desktop background picture can be changed. Okay, so how can we change this desktop background picture? It is given in your book very clearly. Okay, what you have to do? First step, right click on empty area of the desktop. So here you can see no icons are here. Okay, this small picture you are seeing, no, all these small pictures, these are called icons. Okay, and each icon represent a program. Okay, and bottom of the desktop, this is taskbar. Okay, now this is empty area of the desktop where no icons are there. So do right click. Which click? Right click. So this is called shortcut menu of desktop. It is shortcut menu of desktop. Okay, so at the bottom of this menu, I can take my camera closer to it. Okay, see, at the bottom of this menu, no, there is option personalize. Okay, I'm taking my pointer to personalize option. Click here. Okay, personalize. So because I have Windows 8 version, no? So you are getting this screen. This is Windows 8. Windows 8, and there are some differences. So this is one of them. Okay. When you do right click on personalize option, no? So this screen comes on Windows 8 version. Windows 8 version. Now in your book, this is the personalized window of Windows 7. It is given in your book. Okay, it is given in your book. Now I am showing you through the book. This is personalized window, or you can say personalized dialog box. Okay, understood, no? Where you have to do right click on the empty area of the desktop. Empty area of the desktop, and this is shortcut menu okay, of desktop. And the last option, personalize, here you have to click. Okay, first of all here you have to click. This is first step. Then in second step, when you click on personalize, so this dialog box appears, and here you can see this is desktop background option. So second step, in personalize window you have to click on desktop background option. Clear? After clicking on this icon, now you see this is the third dialog box. Okay, in this dialog box, here you will get pictures, desktop background options. Many pictures are there. You can see several pictures are there. Okay, so you have to choose. Here you will choose a picture. Understood? Okay. In book, this picture is selected. You can see it is highlighted with blue color. Okay, so this picture is selected for desktop background. Understood? Here also it is showing selected picture for desktop background. Now in third step, when you first of all you have to select picture for desktop background, then click on save changes. This is the save changes button. I hope it is visible to you. Here you have to click. Okay, after clicking on save changes button, so this picture will appear on screen. Okay, this picture will be the desktop background. Clear? So this is personalize option, and this dialog box, personalized dialog box, here you have to click on desktop background option. Then in third step, in this window you have to select picture, and after selecting picture click on save changes. Quite simple. Okay, with through these three steps now you can easily change the desktop background. Understood? It's very easy. You can do this, and when school will be open now, so in computer lab you all will change desktop background of computer. Okay, did you understand? I hope you understood this. Okay, how to change the desktop background. Clear? Because this is Windows 8, this is different, no? So okay, now our next topic is desktop icons. These are desktop icons. Small pictures you are seeing, no? Small pictures, these small pictures, these all small pictures. Okay, these all are small pictures. These are called icons, and each icon represent a program. Whichever icon, suppose this one, if you do double click, okay, so it will open its program. So each icon is used to open program. Okay, each icon represent a program, a file, or a folder. Understood? These are icons. Two main icons of your computer are computer icon. Okay, when you do double click on this, so this screen appears. Okay, double click when you do on computer icon, no? So it shows hard disk drives, all the parts of hard disk. Here you can see. Taking closure. Okay. Hard disk drives. Clear? It shows all the parts of hard disk where you can save your computer work. C drive, D drive, E drive, F drive, all you can see. Understood? All folders are there. Okay, picture, document, downloads. Here you can save your work, whichever work you have done. If you want to save, so videos, picture, different folders are there. Okay, music folder, these are different folders, and here too you can see. So you can save your work in these folders and drives of hard disk. Understood? So this is your computer icon. When you do double click on computer icon, so this window will be opened and it will show you different parts of hard disk where you can save your work. Okay, understood? Now next is recycle bin. Next is recycle bin. This is recycle bin icon. Again I'm taking closer. Recycle bin icon. Okay, when you do double click here, it will open this program. Okay, so here all these are the files which are deleted. It shows all the files, deleted files. Recycle bin. Okay, as we have dustbin on at home, so what do we do in dustbin? Things which are no longer used, so we throw them in dustbin. Okay, so same way in computer too, files which are no longer in use, so we can delete, we delete them. Okay, so all the deleted files, then it goes into our computer's recycle bin. So this is recycle bin folder. Okay, recycle bin, and from here you can restore also file which you want back again on desktop. Okay, here it is, you can see restore option, it is showing you. So from this option, files which you want to send back on the desktop. Okay, so files can be restored. Deleted file goes to the recycle bin. Okay, and if you want them back, so from this recycle bin folder it can go back. Understood? Yes. Okay, I hope you understood. These are two main icons of our computer. The computer icon shows you all the hard drives part, and recycle bin shows all the deleted files. Clear? Okay, now our next topic is hiding the desktop icon. If you want to hide these icons, you don't want to show people, okay, icons of your program which you have in your computer, if you don't want to show people, so it can be done. Empty area of the desktop, do right click. Okay, so this is shortcut menu of desktop. Okay, and click on view, okay, this is view option. Okay, when you go to the view option, so it shows you larger icon, medium icon, and here is the last option. It is given show desktop icon option. Okay, when you select this one, see, you can see all icons are gone, है ना, means hidden. Program icons are there, but it is hidden now, no one can see icons. Okay, so this way we can hide icons, and icon if you want to show them again. Okay, so do that same, right click, go to view. Okay, and again click on show desktop icon, so all icons you can see appeared again, है ना? Quite simple. It is very easy, you can do it easily, no difficulty is there. Simple, 2 steps you have to follow. Okay, in first step you have to do right click on the desktop empty area of desktop. Then click on view option, and in view option you will get again a sub menu, and you click show desktop icon option. So when you uncheck this, okay, there is a tick mark, so when you click it, no, so it will be unchecked and all all icon will be hidden, as I shown you now. Simple, very simple it is. Okay, to bring back the icons again, just click the show desktop icon option again. So as you seen just now, again icons appeared on the screen. Okay, so it's easy. Okay, understood? Now next topic is sorting icons. Means icon can be arranged. As you can see on my desktop now, icons are not arranged, these are scattered. Okay, so we can arrange these icons. Some icons are here, some icons are okay, not in here is icon, here again scattered, no, not arranged. So we can arrange them, no problem, easily we can do. So what you have to do, right click on desktop, there is option sort by. Okay, so how do you want to sort? How do you want to arrange your icons? According the name, according the size of the file, according the item type, or according the date modified. So 4 options you have. Okay, so whichever you will choose, file will be arranged on that basis. Okay, I am choosing here now name wise. So you can see all icons are arranged now, not scattered. All files have come here, all files are here only. Okay, and according to name, these are arranged now. Okay, so this is sorting, means arrangement of icons on desktop. Clear, no? Simple, very easy it is. Okay, now our next topic is taskbar. Okay, taskbar, it is very important part of desktop, very important part. Okay, this part, this topic, no children, we will discuss in next video. Okay, so today we have done till the topic sorting icon. Okay, in next video I'll explain you from taskbar. Okay, bye.